Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at how to connect our wallet and to import the contract address on Marina protocol. If you're farming this airdrop, they have listed their bay. The bay is trading live on Bitget right now, and some of us are still asking, how do we connect our wallet? You need to connect your wallet, either Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Then you also need to import the contract address. Rumor says that the token is already arriving different wallet for those that have already connected. So I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet right now. So what we are going to do, if you open your account wallet, you are going to locate this account section, that's the wallet section. Once you see it, I've already connected my wallet to one other exchange like that. I can't remember the name. Is it Green? Initially, they told us to use Green Wallet, which I connected, but later disconnect. So right now, I'm going to connect it back. So what we are going to do is to click on this connect. Now you're going to put your password. If you have already created an account, you have your password, put your password and continue. And once you put it, allow it to load. So we have different options here. We have Trust Wallet, we have MetaMask. You can choose any wallet of your choice. I'm going to use Trust Wallet. So allow it to load. It's going to take you to your Trust Wallet. You open your account. So now you can now see Marina protocol wants to connect. Click on connect. Connecting. Just give it time. It's connecting. Now let's go back to Marina protocol. So once it's connected, you are going to see that your account is already connected. You are now seeing disconnect, and this is my Trust Wallet account. So right now they said they only listed the bay, and the bay is trading live, but to claim the bay itself is not showing. So what you need now, I don't even have enough bay. I only have 3.786. So if you tap on the bay, you can see that nothing to be claimed. It says that they are going to send it to different exchange. So what you need is just to connect your wallet and wait for them. They are going to send it to your wallet. Now that you have already connected your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to import the contract address, so that whenever they send the token to you, you'll be able to see. So I'm going to my Trust Wallet to import the contract address. Now let's go back. So coming here, you're going to click on manage crypto down here. Once you click on manage crypto, you can see this plus sign at the top right. Now Bay network is on BNB chain. So we are going to paste the contract address. I'm also going to attach it in the video's description. Immediately you paste the contract address, you're going to see the Marina protocol, the Bay, the decimal. You click on import here. Now token Marina protocol added successfully. As you can see, it's showing here I have added it to my Trust Wallet. So whenever they send the token to us, we are going to receive it. Now going to our Bitget, it is already trading at, they listed this token yesterday, but they have not given us update concerning our claiming or whether they are going to send it directly. But right now the coin is already dropping. Yesterday it even pumped to 0.14, but right now it's now 0.9. So right now if you go to your Bitget, you can see Bay USDT. The current price now is at 0.43, which is still not bad if they are going to release our assets to us now. So this is basically how to connect your wallet, and if you have not done that, do it. Import your contract address and wait for them. Whenever they are ready to distribute the airdrop, they are going to send it to our different exchange. I believe you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you.